How to share your Shein wishlist. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the Shein app on a mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Shein account. Once in there, all you have to do is tap on the Me at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your Shein profile section. Now all you have to do is go to the wishlist, the heart icon. Now once there, all you have to do is simply tap on any wish list you want to share. So let me just tap on this muffler for now. And at the top right you can see share icon available there. Tap on it. Now all you have to do is copy the link of this and you can share directly via WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, email or many more. The person who receives the link can view your wish list in their browser or app. They don't need an account to view it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.